Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and find File Manager app. Enter it, and as you can see from the homepage of this app, you've got access to all of your images, videos, documents, music, applications, Bluetooth and downloads, archives and more. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google Drive, connection to computer, transfer files, deep clean, favorites, private files. You can also enable or disable dark mode and go to settings where you can show hidden files, leave feedback, rate File Manager, check its version, about, and share File Manager. Next, if you press this button right here, you've got access to your internal storage of the phone, thanks to which you've got access to every folder that's on your phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.